Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back ulit sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, may panibago na naman po akong i-share sa inyo na application or website na pwede po nating pagkakakitaan. So ito po si Summit guys. So isa po itong finance. Ito po ay bibili natin by ticket in the future of finance at sea. So from Mumbai to Dubai, ito po yung magiging sasakyan niya papuntang Dubai. So meron na lang po tayong 42 days, 15 hours and 2 minutes. Kaya mag-register na nga po kayo. So ito po yung register na button. So ito po yung Sea Summit ticket natin. Meron po tayong price na $87. So crypto and forex startup pitch is 300 plus. Start crowdfunding opportunity by budget 40 million USD. In-house investment fund created 10 million USD. So connect, experience, and prosper at the sea. So yun guys, dito sa baba makikita natin yung ating Sea Summit free trailer. So panoorin lang po natin yun guys. So yan po yung ating So why to attend Sea Summit? So ito po yung mga explanation kung bakit kailangan po nating mag-attend sa ating Sea Summit guys. The ultimate numbers is 500 to 1,000 po yung ating number. So meron po tayong spotlight on crypto, forex, and Binance. So 300 plus power talks and 200 plus seminars. So yan po yung live trading masterclass natin. So ito po yung ating connection, experience, at saka entertaining. So take it now and book now. So yun guys, what to expect on board. Sea Summit serves this meeting point for the cryptocurrency and forex industry. Set against backdrop of a lavish cruise experience is not just an event, it's just a voyage into a forefront of financial innovation, offering a platform for sharing expertise, networking, and access to exceptional investment prospects. Step aboard on one of the world's most expansive cruise ships and immerse yourself in the perfect fusion of opulence and entertainment. Come be part of a memorable journey at the sea, where finance converge with the horizon. So ito po yung ating mga partners guys. So marami po tayong mga partners. So ito naman po yung ating map of journey. Mumbai 15 December, Dubai December 17, leave Dubai December 20, and Mumbai and 24. So yan po yung rota ng ating barko. So social media, meron po tayong Telegram, Twitter, at Instagram. So are you an influencer? Promote the event and ask your followers to join Sea Summit. If your followers join and get one free ticket for you and your plus one. So yun guys, become a speaker or sponsor. Kung gusto nyo po malaman yung iba pa sa Sea Summit, click nyo lang po yung about us. So meron po tayong sponsors, tickets, and contact nyo lang po. At kung gusto nyo po ng get early access, so click nyo lang po yan guys. So yun guys, dito na nga magtatapos ang ating video, at sana yung nagustuhan nyo po yung ating na application.